February was a good month for the Australian market in the midst of fairly weak international markets. The Australian market was up 2%, and pleasingly the investors' mutual funds beat the market, with the main fund up 2.5%. The main fund is also up 3% on an annual basis for the last 12 months, which is pleasing after a fairly tough environment where growth and momentum was outperforming value and quality. Standing out for us were a number of industrial companies. It's hard to think of many stocks that did not perform well as they reported their results, but this was in a backdrop of very strong commodity prices, so the resource and energy sectors were very strong. But performing well for IML were stocks such as Orica, Metcash, neither of them actually reporting results, Nine Network, Newcrest, and many, many others. We are in, I keep saying this, very, very unusual times. Never in history have we had zero interest rates for such an extended period. We wrote a letter to the Reserve Bank many years ago talking about the unintended consequences of very low interest rates, and these seem to be playing out in many respects. We've had extraordinarily high house price inflation, we're getting commodity price inflation, we have increasing inequality, we have a misallocation of resources as a result of these low interest rates. And now with the very strong commodity prices, one may even think, well, has Russia not been emboldened to start a war with Ukraine, thanks to the high commodity prices that low interest rates seem to be causing? Oil prices are going through the roof. We can all see at the pump how much we're paying for energy. It's a very, very tough economic environment. Policy is tough because people have so much debt. Reserve banks don't want to raise interest rates, but I think they have to with inflation as it is. We do believe it's a time to remain defensive, to stick with our quality bias, and to hold good quality stocks with sustainable, strong cash flows, and that is the way the funds continue to be positioned.